by the grace of God, Intas people have come to me and said that they are starting this yoga session. So the journey started very nicely. Initially, the professors of yoga session, they taught us so well. They taught us as though we are LKG students and taught every part of the yoga.
सबसे पहले मैं इंटास का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, जिसने इस कठिन कोविड समय में, जब सब लोग बहुत परेशान थे, अनजाने भय से परेशान थे, लॉकडाउन से परेशान थे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और घर में बंद रहने से परेशान थे, अपने स्वास्थ्य की वजह से, उस वक्त हम लोगों के स्वास्थ्य के बारे में विचार किया.
This lockdown period, when Intas announced that it is conducting this program, Yoga for Everybody and Yoga for Health, I was much interested in joining them. So I started doing it, and because of lockdown, it was very easy to regularize the exercises daily. So I used to attend daily.
This yoga class by Intas is nothing but a dream come true. In last 10 months, I am attached to this class since its inception, and I can tell you that in last so many months, I have hardly missed 6 or maybe 7 classes. So that speaks about its success.
I think it's been a great day and great journey for last 1 year or so. And although, this group started 1 year back, but we started this concept immediately as soon as we got into lockdown. And I feel, any negative thing has a lot of positivity about it. And this concept came to us, as a blessing in disguise. The team thought that, if we can do something like this and connect with the doctors online and provide them this, service, then we got a tremendous response from all of you, and I see that large number of people are joining in. We had almost 700 to 800 registrations, and almost 100 to 150 doctors join this program every single day. So I feel that's a great achievement, and it gives us a lot of word of mouth positivity.
And all I can say is to Just Ma'am and her team is that thank you for having us over at this wonderful platform. Now this yoga has not only helped me get a lot of physical healing, but it has also more importantly got peace and a feeling of well-being.
The energy has been so fantastic from this whole 1 year. We just felt like a family working with you. It never felt like we are sitting in Chandigarh, you're sitting in Gujarat, or you're somebody sitting in Mumbai. It just felt like we choose each other every morning. And thank you for giving this opportunity to all of us to come together. A heartfelt thank you.
First of all, let me thank and congratulate you and Amit Arora team for giving us an opportunity to get connected with you and giving us an opportunity to make us fit in this lockdown era.
And the whole credit goes to Just Ma'am, Aditi Ma'am and Nisha Ma'am, who are so affectionate, so loving, and at the same time so professional in their work. They are getting the things done from us, from all of us, and I must say at the end, long live yoga class, long live all our team.
I have joined this Intas arrangement of yoga. Is the most excellent yoga I have ever done. It is very enjoyable, pleasurable and peaceful.
And special thanks to Intas people and Aditi ma'am, Nisha ma'am and above all Just ma'am. It is a really very wonderful experience in last 5 months as I joined in the month of September. But the experience is so good, and so precisely I can tell it is a wonderful experience of yoga.
Then we have our Jas madam from Chandigarh came to the rescue, and she incorporated both Dr. Nisha and Aditi madam. So really both are very very great.
प्रोग्राम में
teachers.
बार बार आने की वजह से, रेगुलरिटी की वजह से और आदत बनने की वजह से अगर वो कभी रह जाता है तो हम लोग सच में उसे मिस करते हैं. हम लोग एक क्लास के उस बच्चों की तरीके से हैं जो हर रोज अपने टीचर का इंतजार करता है कि वो आज हमें नया क्या सिखाएंगे. और मुझे लगता है कि ये भाव और उसके साथ में हमारी अच्छा स्वास्थ्य, मानसिक, शारीरिक, आध्यात्मिक हर तरफ से हम लोगों की उन्नति हुई है. मैं बार बार शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने हमारे अंदर वो आदत, वो हमारे अंदर का बच्चा और वो जागरूकता हम लोगों के अंदर पैदा कर दी जो हम लोगों के अंदर मिसिंग थी.
As well as the Just Keshan for bringing up such a wonderful program to all of us.
During this lockdown period, Intas provided the platform in the form of Just Keshan Dacha, where teachers like Dr. Nisha, Aditi Madam and Jasmeet Madam, they provided us the perfect environment which is required for learning yoga. And for over these 10 months during this lockdown period, I've learned a lot and I've improved a lot with the help of these yoga teachers.